My work is also very transdisciplinary, so it doesn't just rely on multiple disciplines. It really draws upon multiple disciplines in a way that's more integrative. And so it thinks about what is something new we can learn or discover by bringing disciplines together. And I think that is naturally represented in social work. That's what we do, right? We have a fancy word, transdisciplinary, but essentially that's what social work is. And so my work fits right at home in social work, in addition to me being a social worker. But I think I hope to encourage our students in social work to think more about how can they explore and push the boundaries of what we're doing in social work. How do we draw and deliberately pull from multiple disciplinary perspectives to solve these really complicated social issues that we're trying to tackle every day?